So as I said, a new topic, nature and attractions, it says. And here you get a combination of the entry to these nature things. How would they cost something? And the ticket you need to go there if you go by train. So what are they recommending? So from here you have the nicest 7 kilometers sleigh trail in Switzerland, longest. And this one is a old cable car going up this mountain. I have been there as well. So Pilatus is a mountain you can go to. The Titlis, you're gonna see a glacier. The Cardana I don't know of. That's what it looks like, it seems. Then you got some Monte Generoso. And I need to tell you, this winter when we had snow in the south of Switzerland on the other side of the mountain row, it was sunny and looking like this. No snow. So then maybe in winter it makes sense to go to the south of Switzerland where it's 15 degrees like in spring, when we had -5 up here in 1,200 meters above sea level, and in like down it was maybe just 1 degree in the valley. So yeah, just over the mountain row in the south, in the Ticino, we had like no snow. Then there is bridges and driving along the lakes, and then I'll stop for a second maybe, 'cause I don't want the car to interfere with my video, 'cause up here we live without any noise, and I don't want the noise to interfere. Well, I get angry when it gets loud up here, because they say we have no cars, but then all of a sudden you hear these tractors. So that's why I went loud like this. So I was living in the valley where you had this factory producing cookies. So when you get from Lucerne to Bern in the midst of the valley, in the middle, on the border between these two cantons, as we call it, you have this factory where you get a lot of cookies nearly for free, because you can get them at the factory shop. This Centovalli I don't know anything about, and the Albula is okay. I live nearby. Then we got some, it's again UNESCO World Heritage thing. I didn't know that Wolhusen near Bern, this is, newly has a tropic house, so I would love to go there. That one I've been to a lot of times. So there is a aquarium at Lausanne. Then Baumwipfelpfad Neckartal. I live there. Haven't heard of it. Where would I have to go to? Well, I'll check later on, because I lived at this stupid place right here. There is a castle, then the zoo at Basel, the zoo at Zurich. The Zurich one I went to a lot of times. That's our piggy Switzerland. To me it looks like a pig. So yeah, we've been through this booklet. So I'm gonna look at this trail on top of the trees. Yeah, if you don't have anything to offer, you offer a trail on top of the trees, so you can walk somewhere artificial instead on the floor, you know, and leave the birds and everything live at peace on the top. That's Switzerland. Everything is wrong. Would you want to look at caged animals? No, it makes me sad. I tell you. The only thing I would love to go to is this place. It's also caged animals, I guess. But it's a hot place. Tropic. Yeah. It's just plants, flowers, and herbs. Nice. And bogs and stuff. So I would love to go there. At Wolhusen, which is near Bern. Capital city of the government. So yeah, we are through this one.